this video. As you guys can see, my hair is literally already parted off. I have exactly, because y'all always ask me, Crissy, how many braids do y'all have? How many braids do you have in your head? You know, just like the thickness, all that type of stuff. Keep in mind, your head size is not going to be the same as my head size. My head is actually not that big. I have a big face, like big forehead, big face. So, nevertheless, I have exactly a 26 I guess parts or boxes in my head. So I have 3, 4, 4, 3 in the back, right? Let's go straight across. And then in the front, I literally have it split down the middle, and I have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and then of course, like I said, the number in the back. So this is exactly 26. So what I'm going to be doing today are passion twists. I've been seeing tons of videos on that. I've been getting tons of requests, and I've been promising you that I was going to do like more protective styles and things like that. I was really going to do these really small box braid knotless, or yeah, the knotless braids, kind of like feed-in box braids, but I'm going to hold off on that to get these passion twists out the way because it's just really cute and straight to the point. Now, the hair that everyone's been using is like the frizzy, I believe the water wave or bohemian curl. Literally, if you look online right now, I'm not even going to tell you where to get this hair. I did work with a company that is willing to send me the hair, but it's like, why would I have them send the hair if you guys are not even going to be able to get access to it? Because apparently everybody wants to do passion twists, and that's the hair that they're going to get based off of the YouTube, right? So I actually found a company on Amazon. I am an Amazon Prime member, so I do get the packages within 2 to 3 days, which is awesome. But I found a company, I will link that down in the description box below, which is literally the exact same hair as the frizzy, water wave, or bohemian curl, and this is what it looks like. So it literally is just like that crochet ready hair, and it comes just like this. It is in the length, I believe it was an 18 or 20. I didn't think it was a 22. Like the frizzy hair, I believe it came in a 22, but I'm fine with it. It's gonna be a 20-inch. I'm 5'2", no big deal. So we're gonna go with this, and this is what it looks like. Curls all the way to the end, and it's pretty much ready to be looped. On every single braid, I'm actually going to be using exactly 2. I kind of like thinking maybe I should use 3. So I might change my mind. We'll see. I'm thinking I'm going to use exactly 2 technical strands of hair, or 3 for each braid. And when I kind of did the math for this, it's going to use up exactly 7 packs, because in each pack it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So about 14 strands. I'm going to divide that into 2 or 3 amongst all the packs. It literally just came in like a big bag like this, and they actually give you a crochet needle. So, you know, this is going to be perfect. You literally get everything you need in one. The name of the company is Toyo Tress, and like I said, I mean, it does what it needs to do. So I'm going to be using these. And you guys always tell me, like, Crissy, you talk too damn much in these protective style videos. I agree. So I'm going to stop talking. Let's get started. Before doing that, though, one more thing. You guys are going to ask me about edge control. Y'all know I'm addicted to the Creme of Nature edge control. This is the extra hold. You use what you prefer to use. For my actual like front of my hair, the edges, just to kind of tame it a little bit more, I am going to be using the 24-hour Edge Tamer Mega Holds, Extra Mega Holds by Ebin New York. So the combination of these two, and we're going to be good. And if you guys have not already, this is a perfect time to go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Let's get into the video. Alright, so first things first, I'm definitely not going to be leaving these rubber bands in at all. I know that some people are doing the rubber band method. To me, it's just a little bit too much tension on my hair. Literally sectioning this part off with the rubber bands alone hurt. And I didn't even put them in that tight. So I'm not recommending you guys do the rubber band method. If you want to do that, let me know. I'll do a video on it and take myself through pain for you guys. But to be completely honest, I don't agree with it. So yeah, that's that. So I'm literally just going to take out the area that is already in that rubber band. Obviously, I'm not even doing this in the best way, which is why I do not agree with rubber bands. It's just too much of a hassle trying to take out. And then if you think about as your hair gets dirty, you know, and over time, if you don't have really sturdy rubber bands, what will actually end up happening is pretty much they'll pop. So they'll end up popping on the inside of your crochet braid, which shouldn't be too big of a deal, but it can be, and I don't want to test it out really. So yep, I pretty much just have this here, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply my edge control. So here are the 2 strands, and to pretty much just make them uneven, I'm literally just gonna make them uneven. I'm not, you know how you would kind of stretch out the caniculon hair? There's really no need to do that in this case. I'm literally just gonna make them uneven and it'll be just fine. If you feel the need to brush this out and comb it together, which I will do that. I'm actually gonna use 3 pieces. So I know that I said I wasn't sure. I'm definitely gonna use the 3 pieces. So if you guys missed my Cynically's twist video, this is a perfect time to go and watch that. But the way that I'm going to start these are literally, I'm going to start with a small braid and then I'm just going to twist it out. Alright, so I'm sorry for the lighting if it goes like in and out because I'm literally filming in front of the window. But I'm just adding some Creme of Nature Argan Oil to my little sideburn right here to hold it down. I don't know what the heck is going on. That was so country. What the heck is going on? So I already have one in. Now the biggest thing about they will swell and kind of be a little bit larger. Obviously I did do 3 of them. And then for the ends, what I'm gonna actually end up doing is putting some mousse on them when I'm done so that that curl pattern just kind of pops all over again. So I'm gonna continue to just kind of go through these. I will slow it down throughout the video if you guys need to see that. But yeah, let's finish. Now for this one, I did not separate the hair at all. So as you can see, I'm literally just looping this and then covering my hair, literally starting the braid 1, 2, 3 to make sure it's secure and it's tight. I think that was 4. And then I'm gonna go ahead and flip it on the inside. I think I did 5. And then I'm literally just gonna go ahead and start to twist. Separate my hair down the middle and start to twist. And you will feel the tension at like the base of your scalp. So don't be like afraid of that. You know, obviously do what you can take as far as like how tight you twist these. Because they're going to get chunky anyway. Like I'm not trying to go for those super like sleek twist. This is definitely meant to be more of a boho style. Which is weird for me because I'm the type of person that wants super neat hair. But yeah, so if you see this happening, totally fine. Go back. Take that out. And go ahead and just put like a little, I didn't even know my hair was that long. Okay, sis. Go ahead and put a little edge control there. Just to smooth it over and keep twisting. Or gel or whatever you feel comfortable with. Alright, so the difference between the 2, this is pretty much the hair if I decide to comb it all out, stretch it, versus literally just taking the twists as they are. It does knot up on itself. So let me see what happens when I put the mousse on it. Y'all, this is my first time doing it, so y'all are learning with me. So here's the mousse. I don't like this little raggedy end. I'm gonna cut that. And yeah, that's it. We're good.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright babes, thank you guys so much for watching. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave those down below in the description box, comment section, and I'll leave all the details on the hair in the description box as well. I actually underestimated how much hair I was going to use. I actually have this much left. So I actually have 2 packs, so I don't know how I miscounted, but I got away with 5 packs. So that definitely means that if you want to do this style, again, I have 26 box parts, if that makes sense, and then I use 3 strands for each one. So just kind of use that as a guide. Other than that, I don't think there's really much to say. I don't know how long this style is going to last, so I will definitely be doing an updated video to let you know exactly what I'm going to be doing moving forward. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye babes. Okay.
Isn't that weird to see?